We're going to learn how to create a ammo crate and item crate. First off, load up your Source SDK and open up your Hammer editor. We're going to use our last tutorial map. Same as always, map, entity report, go to. And the first thing you'd want to do is click on entity and paste it somewhere in your map. Now open up its properties, and type in item ammo crate. Make sure there's a underscore between ammo and crate, because otherwise it won't work. Little warning before you ever use this ammo crate: never use pistol, because the ammo crate model for a pistol is an error. So just use SMG, R2, RPG rounds, and stuff like that. I don't know about the buckshot shotgun ammo. So I put SMG, and here's our box. I'm going to quickly line it up. There we go. And that's basically it. You just press E on the box and it gives you the ammo. I'm just quickly... Now we're going to learn how to make a item crate. Put another entity right here. Double click on it and call it an item crate. Go to world model, browse, and filter in crate. You're going to see Half-Life 2 for the mod items /item crate. Choose this one, not the chunk, because that's just a piece of wood. This. Click OK and go to item type. Here you can choose whatever you'd want. Basically, it's every single thing that's in the item in the entity list, but as you can see here, there's health kits, health vials, health charger, suit charger. I'm going to put an ammo for shotgun. They don't have it. Whoa. I'm going to put ammo for the 357. Yeah. And of course, we can't have ammo without the weapon, so I'm just going to quickly put this weapon on top of our desk. There we go. And we're going to see in-game how this thing actually works. Thanks for watching.